Hey guys, today's video is going to be my April Sephora Play unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. I've kind of been MIA on this channel because I have been focusing like pretty much all of my spare time on my Poshmark closet. I'm now like a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app and I freaking love it. It's so much fun. I'll link my closet down below if you guys want to check out what I got in my closet, but seriously, it's so much fun. But today we're gonna do my Sephora Play unbagging. It came in the mail yesterday. I wanted to make this video yesterday, but yesterday was a crazy day, so I didn't get to make it. Okay, so let's see the theme for the month of April. April, guys, it's April. Oh my gosh. This is winning beauty. Winning beauty. Okay. As always, there's a little card to get 50 insider points. The bag this month is a different color. It's usually been red, but now it's this like magenta fuchsia color. First product is from It Cosmetics. This is the brow powder. I've actually used this and I really like it. So this is a natural looking pencil that works for any eye color. So yes, like I said, I've used it before and I like it. We're off to a good start. Next thing is from Urban Decay. This is the Perversion Mascara. It says it's a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easily for full-bodied lashes. That's a lie. I really don't like this mascara. I did a Mascara Monday episode on it and I just really was not a fan. So I'm gonna be passing this along. This might work for somebody else. It did not work for me. Okay, next is, what the hell is this? Oh, this is this month's bonus. Shampoo samples from Satchel. Moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I feel like I've gotten this maybe with a Sephora order, like as a free sample, and I don't think I used it. Next is the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water, a no rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities and makeup. I got hair in my mouth. So that's that guy. Guys, I have not painted my nails in like 3 weeks. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's been a while. Okay, next is from Clinique. This is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This is like, I feel like everyone has used this lotion. It's like a staple. It's a fast absorbing daily moisturizer that combats dryness and balances skin. I've used this and I like it. The last thing in the bag is the Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish. A turmeric powdered polish that minimizes dullness and uneven skin tone. Oh, let's wait for it. There we go. Thoughts on this month's bag? You know, it's all right. You know, we'll give this guy a try. I do like this moisturizer, so I will use this. I will definitely use this cleansing water. What else? This stuff I probably will not use. Like I said, I wasn't a fan of the mascara. And I do like the brow powder. So, you know, just an okay bag. If you guys are interested in signing up for Sephora Play, I will have a link down below. That's it for this video. Make sure you go check out my Poshmark closet if you miss me, because that's like where I've been. And my vlog channel too. I feel like I've been vlogging a lot more than I've been making beauty videos. So I'll link that down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.